The Department of Business Administration, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, has on Wednesday held its first online lecture series organized by the university's international faculty as part of continuous efforts to promote technology-enabled learning and networking among students. The webinar series, with the theme Strategic Aspects and Recent Business Scenarios, was intended to expose students to the evolving strategies and approaches adopted by organizations to navigate the complexities of global market. Conducted at the School of Social and Management Sciences, the virtual lecture was attended by students, faculties, and management staff of the university. In his presentation, Dr. Prasad Begde, Dean VIT Business School, VIT Bhopal University, India, explained that the international business landscape has been characterized by factors such as globalization and technological advancement. According to him, understanding recent strategic trends in business is crucial for organizations to adapt to changing dynamics, remain competitive, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Dr. Begde, a seasoned academic who took time to speak on various topics including digital transformation, globalization and market expansion, as well as political and economic uncertainty, cited practical examples to demystify his presentation. Speaking of sustainability and corporate social responsibilities, CSR, Dr. Begde explained that CSR initiatives are not just about compliance and philanthropy, but are increasingly viewed as strategic imperatives for long-term business viability and reputation management. In his address, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, who reiterated the significance of the lecture series, noted that strategic decision-making gives companies a competitive advantage, thereby helping them to achieve their goals. He tasked the student to embrace the opportunity to learn, share ideas and perspectives, and inspire each other during the session. Also speaking, the Dean School of Social and Management Sciences, Dr. Mahmoud Mukhtar Saidu, underscored the importance of the program while commending the university for providing the opportunity for students to interface with international scholars.